Spacious Planners has been a major player in the field of design and renovation since 2004. Space planning is a skill that sets us apart from the rest, especially in our land-scarce Singapore. Boasting a team of 25 highly dedicated designers and staff who are determined to offer solutions to every space available. Clients are constantly impressed by the simplicity and elegance in our imaginative solutions to spaces. Our attitudes define the way we work.
If you could summarize working at Spacious Planners in one word, would have to be adventure,
ambition,
togetherness, dynamic, dream.
unique.
Home space or office space, simply head on down to our showroom and be wowed by our expertise and solutions to space planning.